Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 26th July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, never become tired of the pilgrimage of remembrance. It is the storms of body consciousness that make you tired. Become soul conscious and your tiredness will be removed. Question. Which sanskar spoils your elevated fortune for 21 births? Answer. If anyone has the sanskar of sulking and sulks with the father or the study, that one's fortune becomes spoiled for 21 births. This is why Baba says, sweet children, never have any wrong type of intoxication due to body consciousness, such as how you explain to so many or how you have helped so many people. Look how great an authority Baba is, and yet he is so egoless. Therefore, see the Father. Song. O traveller of the night, do not become weary. Your days of happiness are about to come. The essence for dharana is point number 1. In order to be threaded in the rosary of victory, make full effort to become detached from your body. Continue to renounce body consciousness. Remove this world from your intellect. Point number 2. Don't have too much greed for wealth. Don't think about anything other than remembrance of the Father. Never sulk with the Father or the study. Today's blessing is, may you be a conqueror of obstacles and become worthy of receiving thanks from everyone with the power of transformation. Again, may you be a conqueror of obstacles and become worthy of receiving thanks from everyone with the power of transformation. If someone insults you, transform the insult into upliftment in a second. If someone comes in front of you to test you with his sanskars or nature, then, with the awareness of one, adopt your elevated sanskars and nature of a merciful heart. When someone comes in front of you with bodily vision, transform their vision into soul conscious vision. When you have learned the art of transformation in this way, you will become a conqueror of obstacles. All souls who are in connection with you will then thank you. Slogan. Become an embodiment of experience, and the sparkle of the fortune of happiness will be visible on your face. Again, become an embodiment of experience, and the sparkle of the fortune of happiness will be visible on your face. Om Shanti.